Hello dear viewers, and welcome back to BD Fish Cutting. In today's video, we have a fresh and beautiful air fish, also known as air fish, a very popular and tasty freshwater fish. In this video, we will slowly and carefully take you through the entire journey of this fish, from washing to cleaning, from removing the unnecessary parts to slicing it into perfect cooking pieces. So relax, enjoy, and stay with us till the end. Right now, you can see our fresh air fish placed right in front of us. Just look at its size, its thickness, and the freshness of its body. The skin is smooth, the body is strong, and the fish looks absolutely perfect for cooking. Air fish is loved because of its soft flesh, delicious taste, and its ability to absorb spices beautifully. But to enjoy its true flavor, it must be cleaned and cut properly, and that is exactly what we are going to show you today. We begin with the first and most important step, washing the fish thoroughly. We gently rinse the fish with fresh water, removing dirt, slime, and any unwanted particles from the outer body. Slowly rubbing the fish helps make the skin less slippery and easier to handle. Proper washing ensures hygiene, freshness, and a better cutting experience. We always take time with this step because cleanliness is our top priority. Once the outer body is washed, we move forward to prepare the fish for the next stage. Air fish usually has a smooth body, but still we check carefully to make sure everything is perfectly clean. Good preparation always leads to good results. Now we move to one of the most careful steps, opening the belly and cleaning the inside. With a sharp and strong knife, we slowly make a clean cut along the belly area. We do this gently so that the flesh remains undamaged. Gradually, we open the stomach section and remove all the internal parts. This step is extremely important because cleaning the inside of the fish removes any unwanted smell and keeps the fish fresh and safe for eating. After clearing everything inside, we wash it again so the interior becomes spotless, shiny, and completely fresh. Now our air fish is beautifully cleaned, both inside and outside. Next, we prepare to cut the fish into sections and pieces. Air fish has strong bones and thick flesh, so cutting it requires patience, strength, and good control over the knife. We carefully position the fish on the cutting surface and slowly begin slicing it into large sections. Every movement of the knife is done carefully, without rushing, maintaining full control and balance. Once we divide the fish into big sections, we start cutting them into smaller, perfect-sized pieces. Each piece is cut evenly so that it is suitable for any recipe, curry, gravy, fry, or special traditional dishes. Evenly sized pieces are important because they cook better, look more attractive, and give better taste and texture. Watch closely how smoothly and confidently the knife moves through the flesh and bones. Piece by piece, the fish transforms into neat and beautiful portions. We make sure there is no unnecessary wastage. Every useful part of the fish is carefully handled and saved. This is one of the main values of traditional fish cutting, respect for food and careful preparation. As we continue cutting, you can clearly see the fresh texture of the meat, its beautiful color, and the natural quality of this air fish. The satisfying chopping sound, the slow cutting process, and the careful handling make this experience relaxing not only for us, but also for you as viewers. Finally, we reach the last stage. Now all the pieces are nicely shaped, evenly sized, and completely ready. We rinse the pieces once again to make sure they are perfectly clean and fresh. At this point, our air fish is fully prepared and ready to go to the kitchen to turn into a delicious and mouth-watering dish. We hope you really enjoyed watching this slow, relaxing, and professional fish cutting process. From washing to cleaning, from opening to cutting, every step was done with patience, dedication, and care to ensure the best quality preparation. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to support us. Like the video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel BD Fish Cutting for more satisfying fish cutting and cleaning videos. Also, press the notification bell so you never miss any of our latest uploads. Your support gives us motivation to continue making more amazing and relaxing videos for you. Thank you so much for staying with us till the end. Stay safe, stay healthy, and enjoy delicious food with your loved ones. This is BD Fish Cutting, and we will meet you again very soon in another satisfying fish cutting video. Goodbye and take care.